Hello and welcome. Our topic for the day is solving equations by subtracting. Let's do some questions to understand the concept. The first question says solve for x and we're given the equation x plus 1 equals to 4. Let's rewrite x plus 1 equals to 4. The question says solve for x. This means that we have to find out the value of x, and this can be done by isolating x on one side of the equality sign. Now here we see that 1 is added to x. Now the topic name says solving equations by subtracting. So if we make this a positive 1 as 0, then our x will be isolated. This can be done if we subtract 1 from the positive 1. Then this positive 1 and negative 1 would become 0. Now whatever operation is done on the left hand side of the equality sign, that is we subtracted 1 here, same has to be done on the other side of the equality sign to maintain balance of the equation. So a positive 1 and a negative 1 becomes 0. So this is x equals to 4 minus 1 equals to 3. Therefore the value of x equals 3 is the final answer, can be seen in option D. Let's try another question for better understanding. Solve for x and we're given x plus 4 equals 5. Now here 4 is added to x, so we need to make this 0. This can be done by subtracting 4 from both sides. Again we have to see that you have to subtract 4 from both sides of the equality sign. So this becomes 0. X equals to 5 minus 4 equals to 1. So the value of x is 1 in this case. Therefore option A is the correct answer. Moving on to the next question. Solve for x and we given x plus 1 equals to negative 2. Now here in order to make positive 1 0, we subtract 1 from both sides. And let's see what we get. A positive 1 minus 1 is 0. X equals to negative 2 minus 1. So this is nothing but two negative numbers. The two numbers added, 2 plus 1 is 3, and negative sign is retained in the answer. So the value of x is equal to negative 3. This is the final answer, can be seen in option D. Let's try another question. Solve for x and we're given x plus 8 equals to 5. Our procedure remains the same. Subtract whatever is added by an equal value. So we subtract 8 from both sides. A positive 8 minus 8 is 0. X equals to 5 minus 8. So 5 minus 8 is a negative 3. So the final value of x is equal to negative 3 is the answer, can be seen in option D. I hope solving equations by subtracting is easy now. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.